Hello and welcome to another update video about Chainlink. The link chart continues to move in corrective patterns. Here most recently, again, a reaction to our short trade area or resistance area, Fibonacci resistance of this fourth wave. Price is reacting quite strongly to it. Well, I mean, you could say strongly, but at the moment volatility is very low generally in the crypto market. So we're happy if we see any movement really. But yeah, it's reacting to the resistance area. And again, good to see that the C wave of the wave 4 ended a little bit above the A wave. It's typically what we want to see for a more reliable ABC structure. So basically the wave count remains unchanged. The idea is still that another fifth wave to the downside could occur now, that this revealed itself, you could say, as a flat structure. I consider this as an ABC flat. What's an ABC structure, or what's a flat structure? A so-called flat structure is basically, it looks like this. Exactly what we had here, where you have an A wave, which is typically a three-wave correction. So the A wave is another ABC structure. By the way, in our membership, we do have all these cheat sheets, with relevant resistance retracement levels and everything. The B wave can overshoot. It doesn't have to, but it can overshoot to the downside. It often is a very strong corrective pattern, a B wave, which is also, again, an ABC structure. And because of the strong B wave, it often retraces at least nearly to the beginning of the A wave, sometimes overshoots. So that's why they call it sideways correction, because then also the C wave can be a short one, can also be a little longer. But the C wave is a 5-wave move, okay? Can be an ending diagonal, but it should be a 5-wave move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you've got your ABC structure. 3, 3, 5 is the structure, And this is exactly what we had here. 3 waves in wave A, 3 waves in wave B, and a potential 5-wave move in the C wave. It's, you see all sorts of distortions on the lower time frames. Certainly, what I can say is that the A wave was clearly 3-wave-like. The B wave was clearly 3-wave-like. And the C wave, you can probably get away with counting it 5. Maybe it stretches a little higher. But it certainly already reacted to resistance again. This C wave can technically move all the way up to $6.91. But then it would be a little bit too long, I think, when we look at the proportion. So if it stretches any higher, that C wave, then there is a theoretical limit, which is the 1.618 extension. Typically, they wouldn't go any higher. And that's anyway at $6.55. So yeah, it basically already nearly maxed out what it can do. Let's see if it now comes down in the fifth wave. If it wants to come down in the fifth wave, this is now the perfect opportunity. Deeper into support to finish off the wave count. Basically one more lower low here in the fifth wave of a third. Minimum expectation for this third wave would actually be to get below $5.74. Then we could get a fourth wave and a fifth wave down. Please bear in mind that this micro counting is very unreliable. They are very fragile, the micro counts, but so far, I mean, Link is following our wave count nicely. It's going according to script. I expect ideally 2 more lows, and eventually this C wave, because I'm tracking here overall an A, B, C structure in a third wave, which should then react and rally in a fourth wave and make another lower low in the $3.50 region, later. This C wave of the third wave should eventually go below the low of the A wave, which is at $4.98. So yeah, we are caught in this descending price channel. So it takes a lot for Link to really give us some evidence that this overall correction is over at some point. I think we're far away from that, to be honest. We're in the middle of a price channel. We are hovering between support and resistance. It's just, everything's just corrective. It's been moving within these structures for over a year now, and it's just no escape as it seems. So we need to remain patient. At the current time, I do expect another bear market low around $2.90 to $3.50. That might change a little bit depending on how high this wave 4 eventually goes, but we haven't probably started the wave 4 yet. So that's my update about Link. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.